guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me. I'm going to be going out with my friends and I just wanted to do something real quick and just kind of chit chat with you guys because I haven't posted here on my YouTube channel for like a little over a week now. I already have my eyebrows done. I just have to apply some eyeshadow and the rest of my face. So let's go ahead and just get into this video.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Okay, you guys, so very quickly I did one eye off camera so that I don't take too long doing this look. I'm gonna first apply some of this Carity eyeshadow primer to the lid. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and start tapping on it until it's kind of a sticky consistency. I've had a few of you guys request another look using this Ace Beauty palette, and this one I believe was in last month's box. If it wasn't in last month's, it was the month before, BOXYCHARM's box. So many of you guys already have this palette and I'm going to show you guys how to put it to use. I'm going to be taking the Sigma E60 shader brush and it's pretty big and flat. I really cannot pronounce this name, Patchouli. And I'm just gonna apply that right at the beginning of the eye, kind of at the top part. Not necessarily on the lid. I just want to brighten this area up a little bit. So me and my friends are gonna be going to like an art walk, which I have no idea what that is, but as long as it gets me out of the house, I'm good with wherever we go. Next, I'm gonna take this color here. It's called Jasmine. And begin applying that to the lid. This tutorial is moving on really quickly because I still have to do dinner and get the kids kind of ready for the night. And yeah, I'm just trying to get out of here. I'm going to take the darkest shade from the palette, and this one's called Poppy. This is a really intense color, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to this outer area. Just tap it on. And I want to say very lightly, but it's super pigmented. This is a Morphe brush. I'm not too sure the number because it kind of like wiped away. I'm going to take the color Cinnamon, which is this one here, and then just lightly start applying that to the edges of that previous eyeshadow. And then just blend that out. I'm going to pick up the Carity E31 brush and then blend this out because that was not doing it for me. But like I was saying, I do tend to take a week off because, as some of you guys know, my boyfriend goes away on business, and that's why I do take some time off and to myself with my family and just kind of enjoy some time to ourselves. And then going back in, packing on the color Cinnamon, blending it out. And then I want to intensify this outer edge as much as possible. Next, I'm going to take this Stila liquid eyeliner, and this is a felt tip. This is really easy for those of you that struggle doing like wing eyeliner. I feel like I'm just going to show you. From right here, from the corner of the eye, I like to go straight out and then go up. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm going to show you. Okay, so I just winged it out and I don't want to start all the way up here, so I'm just going to let the little point have its moment. In this little area right here, I'm going to bring that in. And then if your line is a little bit crooked, it helps to kind of close down your eye and then clean it up as much as you can. So today, finally, my daughter's vlogging camera. We got it for her for Christmas, and I still need to wrap it up, but we got it today, so I just want to confirm that we will be starting a family channel. I'm not too sure what kind of route we're going to take with our family channel. We're going to do more like vlog style, or if I'm going to sit down with the kids and do unboxing videos. I'm not too sure yet. So once we figure that out, I'll go ahead and update you guys with that. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Emi lashes, and these are in the style Foolish. Oh, I forgot my mascara. I do like to apply a little bit, not too much mascara to my eyelashes, only so that I can stick them together to the fake ones. And just like that, I already popped on my eyelashes. So once that dries a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara so that it sticks together. But I do like to kind of pinch the real lashes with the fake ones so that they stick together since the glue is still kind of tacky. I am running a little bit behind on schedule, so I'm gonna try to speed this up a little bit more. I'm gonna take this Shine Control Primer, and this is by Pop Beauty. It's a mattifying primer. I'm gonna take the Maybelline, oh wait, it's L'Oreal. I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, and I'm in the shade 107 Fresh Beige. I'm gonna take my Sigma Kabuki brush, and I feel like this applies my foundation flawlessly and very fast. So now for concealer, I'm going to be taking this Josie Maran concealer, and this is a full coverage concealer. It doesn't dry down too quickly. That's what I really like about it, because I feel like I do take quite a bit of time when I do highlighting and contouring. And this is Oregon infused concealer, so it does help out with dark circles. Not only does it cover them, but it helps get rid of that dark pigmentation underneath your eyes. I'm going to take the Moda Pro Chisel brush, and this is the BMX 250. And I'm just going to clean this up underneath the eyeliner here. And just look at how bomb it blends out, this concealer. Then I'm going to be using the Powder Room Mad About It setting powder, and this is by Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics, and we just received this with BOXYCHARM. If you missed my unboxing video, I'm going to go ahead and link it up above. This powder helps illuminate your pores, and my pores are pretty intense in this area, and I feel like it actually does help that out. You can't even see my wrinkles up here anymore. Alright, so over on this eye, I'm just applying some Ruby Kiss Cosmetics black eyeliner. I'm going to be picking up this Luxie 141 mini tapered brush and using the color Poppy. I'm going to take the color Cinnamon on the same brush that I used to apply it up here, and just kind of diffuse the shade Poppy. I'm going to pick up the color Jasmine once again, and I'm going to take the Sigma E36 brush and just begin applying that to the water duct. For contouring, I'm going to be taking the Cut to Medium to Deep Contour Palette, and this is by Luminous This is by Luminous Cosmetics. I'm going to take the color Espresso on the Carity F25 brush. Okay, that was more pigmented than I expected, so I'm going to just go ahead and begin applying it on this side to get some product off the brush. And then going back in here, blending this out. I'm going to take the color Mocha forehead. This is actually my first time trying this contour palette, and I am very happy with it. I like how easy it is to blend and how pigmented these shades are. I also just got this Pixie Glow, and this is the Pink Champagne Glow. I'm going to be taking the center shade here and just apply it to the apples of my cheeks. And this palette also has a highlighter, which we're going to try out right now. This is in the color Frappe But first I'm going to go ahead and set the face so that this highlighter is kind of blinding, you know what I mean? I want it to be seen across the room. Okay. Girl. That is beautiful. Okay, and then using the same highlighter, Frappe, I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the tip of my nose. Oh wow, girl. Down the bridge. And I swear this little brush, the Sigma E36 brush, has been my favorite to highlight my nose and my cupid's bow, my inner water duct. We are about to apply some to my chest as well. Why not? On my lips, I'm going to be taking this Give Me Mocha by Wet n Wild. I'm also topping it off with this Tarte lip paint, and this is in Insta Famous. This was also received in last month's BOXYCHARM. Okay guys, so this is my girls' night out makeup look. I don't know. But I'm ready. I'm about to go out with my friends. And I did want to mention that this palette, I really, really loved it and I really enjoyed it for my first time using it. Luckily, I will be giving one of these away to one lucky winner. That'll be in my next giveaway, which it should be in my next video, if not the video after that. So be sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. If you did enjoy this look and you found it helpful, make sure that you do give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.